Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Hamza and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how you can do spot trading on the Bybit exchange. Okay, I'm going to be showing you all the things you need to do, like step by step follow through on how you can be able to do spot trading on Bybit exchange. Okay, what you'll be expecting in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to, use the spot interface, like the spot trading interface, how to take an entry, how to buy, how to sell, how to set your stop loss, how to set your take profit, how to put in all the limit orders and all the rest, guys. So if you want to learn how to do spot trading on Bybit, then this video is for you. Just stick with me till the end of the video, and I promise by the end of this video, you're going to be able to do spot trading on Bybit easily. Okay, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do subscribe to my channel. It's going to really mean a lot to me. And like this video and share this video. And by the end of this video, if you happen to have any questions or any worries, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. I will gladly respond to you within 24 hours. Okay, guys, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you have to do when you want to start with your spot trading is depositing money into your Bybit exchange. Like, you need to deposit money into your Bybit exchange. And if you don't yet have a Bybit account, I have a video on how to create a Bybit account. First of all, you head straight to the description section. I have a link there. You use that link to register on Bybit, create your account, verify your account, and then deposit the funds into your account. Okay, I have a video where I show you how to deposit funds using P2P. Okay, guys, so if you have any issues, just check this playlist. You're going to see it, and I'm also going to include the link of that video in the description section. Okay, guys, the link of how to create your account and verify it, how to also deposit funds, I'm going to include all those links in the description section, so you can check them out and watch the videos if you happen to have any problems, guys. Okay, so after you have deposited your funds into your Bybit exchange, definitely your funds are going to be in the funding account. You see, once you deposit funds, they are going to be go directly into the funding account. You understand? So now when you want to trade with the funds, you need to transfer the funds from the funding account to the unified trading account. Okay, guys, you need to transfer the funds from the funding account to the unified trading account. So you come and you tap on transfer. You're going to see here from funding account to unified trading account, and I have 20.67 USDT. Okay, so I just click on max, and because here is like to select the coin that you wish to transfer. Since I only have USDT, that's why if I had BTC, then I would have tapped on BTC, but unfortunately I don't have BTC. That's why I'll just click on USDT that I have, then I click max. It's like to just send everything, then I click on confirm. Just wait a bit. Okay, my funds have been transferred from my funding account to my unified trading account. Now I can go and do the spot trading. Now you come down here, you see down here where you have trade, you click on the trade. Now it takes you can see up here you have spot, futures, options, margin, explore. So you're just going to leave it at spot. If you click trade and it comes at futures, you just click back to spot. Okay, guys, now here is the spot trading interface, guys. Looking at it, you can see you have two sections here. You have the trade section and the chart section. Let's start with the chart section. The chart section, this is where you're going to be doing all your technical analysis, guys. This is where you're going to be doing your analysis, checking the patterns and everything using your technical indicators, moving average, stochastic oscillator, all of those indicators. That's for those who use indicators. And you analyze the charts and you analyze the market here, and then when you're done analyzing the market, you can now move to the trading part and do the execution. First thing you have to do is you come over here, you see this BTC USD, you're going to tap on it. Now here are all the crypto coins that you can trade. Okay, you can see most of them, these ones that have like a flame beside them are really like trending ones. Okay, so you can see, let's just take BTC as an example. So I've chosen BTC. Now one thing you realize, you have BTC slash USDT. That is a cryptocurrency pair. You understand? Now what does it mean, BTC slash USDT? Now BTC, which is the first cryptocurrency here, is what is known as the base cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, and USDT is known as the code cryptocurrency. I hope you're following. I said BTC is known as the base USDT, as the base cryptocurrency, which is BASE, and USDT is known as the code cryptocurrency, which is QUOTE. Okay, USDT is known as the code cryptocurrency QUOTE. Okay, guys, what is the meaning of base and code cryptocurrency? You might be asking yourself that question. Base cryptocurrency is the cryptocurrency that we are actually going to be buying and selling. You understand? Like BTC here is the cryptocurrency that we're actually going to be buying and selling. While the code cryptocurrency is the cryptocurrency that we're going to be using to buy the base cryptocurrency. I hope you're getting me. Like USDT being the code cryptocurrency means we are going to use USDT in order to purchase, in order to buy or sell BTC, which makes BTC now the base cryptocurrency. It also applies in Forex. If it were a Forex player, maybe GBP USD, you have it's made up of two pairs. You have GBP, which is Great Britain pound. You have USD, which is United States dollar. You understand? In that case, GBP is going to be the base currency, and then USD is going to be now the code currency. So it's the same thing that applies here. BTC is the base cryptocurrency, and USDT is the code cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to clear that shit in case you hear it somewhere, just know so that you can understand what they're talking about. Okay, now you're going to see time here. You see the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily. You see more. You can tap on more there and customize it. You have 1 second, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. First of all, let's just say this 5 minute. This is a 5-minute time frame. Now when you click on the 5-minute time frame, you're going to see candles here, because you realize that when you change the time frame, the candles sizes and shapes are going to change. Let's say the 4 hour. You see, it's showing you a total different thing. They still the same pair, just like within different time frames. Now when you're on the 15 minutes time frame, it means that it takes this, each candle you're seeing formed here, it takes 15 minutes for that candle to be formed. You understand? Like you have this one, it took 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Each and every candle here, be it green or red, it takes 15 minutes for that candle to be formed. Like it takes 15 minutes for the candle to open and to close. Okay, guys, that's what we mean by candle being formed. And it's the same for the daily. Each candle here represents a day, 4 hour time frame. Each candle represents a period of 4 hours. The 1 hour time frame, each candle represents a period of 1 hour. Okay, guys, so you just use the different time frames here to do your analysis and take your entries. Some people start with the daily, they go down to the 4 hour, take entry in the 1 hour. Some start with the 4 hour, go to the 1 hour, and then take entry in the 15. Some start with the 1 hour. So it depends on what works for you. Just stick to it, guys. It's just to help you with your analysis. Okay, so you have like the 3 minutes, so you can just come here on the more, and then you just customize it. You add the ones that you wish to add, and you remove the ones that you wish to remove. Okay, guys, over here you're going to see 24-hour high, 24-hour high low, 24-hour turnover. This 24-hour high is the highest price that BTC has reached within 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, I mean. Okay, it means in the last 24 hours, BTC has reached, the highest price that BTC has reached is $91,857.47, and the lowest price that it has reached in the last 24 hours is $87,754.64. Okay, guys, and now this turnover is the amount of BTC that is being traded within 24 hours. Like within the last 24 hours, 1.94 Bitcoin has been traded. Okay, guys, so that's that. You just come now down here. If you come down here, you have like your moving average, exponential moving average, Bollinger Band. All these are indicators. These are Marvel, MACD, RSI, relative strength index. All of these are indicators. Okay, guys, all of these are indicators. So you just come down here, you have the order book. If you scroll down here, you're going to see the order book. All these things you're seeing, these numbers here on green and red, this is what we call the order book, guys. Okay, so I think that's pretty much about it with this charts phase. So you can now go to this trade. This part is where you're going to be executing your trades. Like after coming to the chart, you do your analysis, you do everything, and then you see like, okay, I'm going to enter for maybe a buy on Bitcoin or maybe a sell on Bitcoin, you now come here to the trade side, and that's where you're going to execute the trade. Okay, guys. Now, when you come to the trading section here, the first thing you're going to do is you decide whether you are buying or selling the cryptocurrency. For us, we're going to be buying because we don't currently have BTC. So we just leave it at buy over here. You see buy, we just leave it as it is over there, buy. Then the available money that we have is $20.67. That's the money that we're going to be trading with. Okay. Now, we have different types of orders that you can. Let's just click here. You see limit order, you see market order, you see TP SL conditional. This take profit slash stop loss. Conditional is similar to the stop loss, the TP slash the stop loss. Okay, guys. We are going to start with the limit order. Okay, limit order. What is limit order? Limit order is simply an order that you give to the exchange that when the price reaches that particular when the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy, when it reaches that particular price, it should be bought for you. I don't know if you got me. Let's say, for instance, let's just come here now. You see, I said this is what we call the order book. These people in these numbers in red are showing the participants in the market that are currently selling Bitcoin, and these ones in green are participants in the markets that are currently buying a Bitcoin. And this particular price here, 90,789.43, or this particular price is the current price of Bitcoin. Okay, guys, these ones are the sellers, the current sellers, people that are actively selling it right now. These are those that are actively buying it now, and this is the price, the actual price right now. Okay, guys. So now, if you check here, you see the actual price of Bitcoin is 90,800 and something. Okay. Now, for you, you might feel like, okay, this price is too high. Now, when it comes to limit order, when you want to buy, okay, you're going to set a price lower than 90,000. Maybe just say, just an example. Maybe you can set like 80,000. Okay, guys. So you just come now here, and then now the price you're going to set like 80,000. 80,000. You have set the price 80,000. It means when the price of Bitcoin drops down to 80,000, this particular order is going to be executed. Okay, guys, you are going to enter for a buy on Bitcoin. That's when you buy, not now. Okay, so once you enter the price that you have entered here, that's what makes it limit order, because you set a limit that, okay, if price reaches this limit, that's when you execute the trade for me. But if it doesn't reach that particular price, don't execute the trade. That's the difference now with the limit order. Okay, guys. So now, after you have set the price that you intend to set as the limit order for your buy, you now come here and you select what quantity of USDT, because we currently have about 20 USDT. I'm using all. Let's say you want to use all, or you want to use just 50% of your capital, or you want to use everything. Let's say you want to use everything. It means if I use everything to purchase BTC, I'm going to get 0.00258 Bitcoin. And remember, since it's a limit order, I'm not going to see it in my assets right now. Why? Because the price of Bitcoin has not dropped and reached this 80,000 that I specified here. So the price that you specify here, once the price of the commodity or the Bitcoin, it drops and reaches there, that's when you're going to be in the trade. Like, that's when the trade is going to be executed. Okay. So after selecting the quantity that I want to use, I then come here and I click on this buy. You can now come here and click on buy BTC. Now, when you scroll down here, you're going to see orders. You have one order. This is the order that I just put now. Okay, this is the order that we have just put. So if the price of Bitcoin drops down to 80,000, okay, that's when this particular trade is going to be executed. Like, that's when my BTC is going to be purchased. Okay, guys. So that's that with the limit order. Now we are going to go to market order. Let me cancel this order. Cancel. The order has been cancelled. So now you just come here. You see the amount of USDT that I had has gone back to normal, 20.6 something. So now we're going to go to market order. Now with market order, immediately you put, because if you remember, I said with limit order, you put a price when the price of the Bitcoin gets to that price. When it falls down to that particular price, you now buy. Like with limit order, you are able to choose the price that you intend to buy at. Okay, but now with the market order, you're going to purchase with the current price, which is the 90,817. This current price, once you enter market, okay, once your order is market order, that's the price that you're going to purchase with, like the exact, instantly, immediately you just come here. Because if you look at here, we have not been given the option to specify the price which you buy at. It means we are going to use this exact price, and what all you need to do is just select what percentage of your account you want to use. Still, I'm still going to use everything. To just come now here, you drag. If you want to use 50%, you leave it at 50. If you want to use 100%, you leave it at 100%. Okay, after doing that, you now click on buy BTC. Buy. Now if you look at down here, you won't see any orders. Why? Because this is not an order. I've executed it instantly, like I've purchased it directly. Now if you go to my assets, if you go check my assets now, you see I have 20.6 worth of BTC. Are you seeing, guys? Here you see 0.0022677. That's the amount of Bitcoin that I have right now, because I've purchased the Bitcoin. Okay, guys, like I don't know if you get the difference between the market and the limit order. With the market order, you instantly buy the cryptocurrency, like you purchase it and you own it in your wallet. But with limit order, you only set a price. You give an order to the market, like when price gets to this particular point, that's when you're going to execute that trade. That's when you're going to buy or sell that particular cryptocurrency. But with market, immediately you click buy or sell. With market order, it's executed instantly with the current price of the cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's that. Now, so if I check my assets now, you see, even here assets, you see I now have Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin here, the amount of Bitcoin that I have. Okay, guys, this is the amount of Bitcoin that I have. Let's go back to trade. So now I'm going to show you how to set your take profit and your stop loss, guys. Okay, for the take profit, you just click here, take profit / stop loss. For the take profit obviously has to be greater, because if you're buying, let's say you buy something for 500 francs, for $500, and you intend to make profit, definitely you should be selling it for more than a price higher than $500. Okay, so your take profit price has to be higher than the price at which you bought it. Okay, guys, so and also when you want to set your take profit and your stop loss, over here you always set this to market, not limit. You change it to market. Okay, now you're going to enter the trigger price for your take profit. Okay, guys, you're going to enter the trigger price for your take profit. Like we bought, currently I have BTC, I have Bitcoin as one of my assets. As you can see over here, this is the amount of Bitcoin that I have. So now, since I bought it, I'm going to put a price that if Bitcoin reaches, let's just say 91,000. This is just an example. When Bitcoin reaches 91,000, remember I said you change this to market, because we have Bitcoin that we have to sell. That's why I've switched to the sell side. Okay, and that's how you're supposed to do it. You switch to the sell side. Now you leave it, you select TP, because you want to set the take profit and the stop loss as well. After which you change this to market. You put in the price, you enter the price at which you intend to take your Bitcoin, your take profit, and then now the quantity of Bitcoin that you wish to sell. If price reaches that particular level, I would want to sell everything. Okay, guys, I want to sell everything at that particular price. Now we're going to sell. Remember, price has not reached this particular 91,000 yet. So this is an order. We have given an order like, okay, when price reaches this particular level, I want you to sell my Bitcoin. Okay, guys. Let me see. Go back to trade. Okay. So if you come now here under orders, since it's an order, you're going to see it under one of the orders here. Sell. Trigger price. You see greater than or equal to 91,000. It means immediately the price of Bitcoin rises and reaches 91,000. All the Bitcoin that I currently have now is going to be sold. That's why he said your take profit, because we bought it. If you look at here, we bought Bitcoin at 90,800 and something, and now our take profit, if price reaches 91,000, that's where you're going to take your take profit, guys. Okay, I hope you understand it. How do you set TP? You come to sell after purchasing when you already have the asset. Like me, I have Bitcoin right now. You now come to this sell. After you select TP / stop loss, you enter the price at which you wish to take your take profit. After that, you change this limit to market. Don't forget, guys, you change this to market, and then now you enter the quantity of Bitcoin that you are willing to sell at that particular time when the price reaches that level. Okay, after that, you just click on sell. Okay, guys. Now for the stop loss, we have to cancel this order. So just come here, cancel this order. Now for the stop loss now is going to be the price. The price you're going to set for stop loss is a price that is lower than the price at which you bought. Okay, you're saying like, okay, if Bitcoins after purchasing Bitcoin, if it keeps dropping, if the price of Bitcoin keeps dropping down till when it reaches this particular price, I don't intend to hold it. I wish to sell the Bitcoin that I have and lose the small amount of money that I'm losing, other than losing everything. Okay, let's for the example that I took, you purchase something for $500, and now the price of that thing starts dropping. It leaves 500 and it's like 450. From 450 it goes to 400. Now you set a limit. You set a stop loss at maybe 350. If the price drops and reaches 350, you're going to sell all the commodity that you have. You want to limit your loss to only 150. Are you getting? You want to limit your loss only to 150, because the stop loss is always a price that is lower than the price at which you bought when you're buying something. You understand? Or it's higher than the price at which you're selling when you enter for a sell. But in this case, since you bought Bitcoin, we're going to set a stop loss that's going to be lower than the price that we bought at, and we're going to specify. When you're setting the stop loss, it's like you're specifying the amount that you wish to risk, that you wish to lose if the price keeps dropping. Because the price is currently 90,800. If it keeps dropping like to 90,700, 90,600, maybe you can set your stop loss to 90,500. If the price of that means you're indirectly you're telling the exchange that once the price of Bitcoin drops to 500, I can only lose 300. Because if you bought at 90,800 and the price drops and reaches 90,500, where you set your stop loss at 90,500, it means you're telling the exchange that you're only willing to risk to lose $300. That is what the stop loss is. So now for us to set the stop loss, you just come here, the same thing. You click sell, you select TP / stop loss. The price now, we're going to set the price that is going to be lower than the price at which you bought. Let's just say 90,300. Remember, you leave this at market, and the quantity is everything. If price drops and reaches that level, you sell everything for me. And you see the order has been submitted. So if eventually the price of Bitcoin drops and reaches 90,300, they are going to execute, and we're just going to lose just 500. Okay, guys, I hope you get the difference between the take profit and the stop loss. One thing as well, guys, you might decide like, okay, I don't really want to wait for the price to reach maybe the stop loss or the take profit that I've put. I want to take profit instantly. Let's say, for example, you enter the market at 90,800 and you realize like the price just went up to 90,900. Okay, you realize like the price went up to 90,900. But let me first of all come and cancel this order. You realize like the price just moved up to 90,900 and you want to take profit instantly. So what are you going to do? You just come now here and you click you have already at sell the quantity market, the what you want to sell, BTC, what quantity, all of it. So you just click on sell. Sorry, I left it. Okay, so now as I was saying, guys, let's say you enter the price at 90,000 and the price goes up to 90,900. Now you want to take take profit instantly. You don't want to wait for price to reach 91,000 or 92,000. Okay, guys, you don't want to wait for the take profit to be hit. You want to take profit instantly. So all you do is just you come and you click on sell here. You leave it at market, the quantity of Bitcoin that you wish to sell, all of it. And what do? You click on sell. Confirm. Order successfully filled. It means we have just sold our Bitcoin now. And if you check my assets now, you're not going to see Bitcoin there. You see? 0.0000, which is approximately 0 Bitcoin. Okay, guys, because I've just sold it now and I've taken profit. Why? Because I entered the market at 90,800. I realized that the market went up to 90,900. I wanted to sell and take the small profit that I just made. So it just depends on you whether you want to set a TP that the market will reach, or if you don't feel like waiting till the market reaches that place, you can still take your profit instantly. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's another way of doing it. Just to summarize this, guys, just to make like a small summary over here, the chart is where you're going to be analyzing your market before you place an entry. Before you take an entry, you can use your technical indicators. You have some down here. You see this SAR, Marvel, MACD, RSI. All of these are technical indicators, guys. You have the time frame. You can select the time frame over here. Whichever time frame you feel comfortable analyzing the market in, you can select it from here. You click more, it comes out. You select anyone that you want. Okay, guys, here you have the daily high, the highest price Bitcoin reached in 24 hours, the lowest it reached in 24 hours, the amount that is being traded. Okay, you can select the cryptocurrency that you wish to trade from here, maybe Ethereum, whichever pair you wish to trade. You just select from here and you search, you select from there, guys. Okay, down here you see the order book, the amount of people that are currently buying, the amount of people that are currently selling. Okay, guys, just come now to trade. You have all the type. When you're buying, you have limit order. You set the price when for example, if you're buying Bitcoin with a limit order, you just set the price that when the price of Bitcoin is currently at 90,600, if it drops and reaches 90,500, that's when I want to buy. In that case, 90,500 is going to be your entry. That's when you're going to enter the market. And now you just specify the amount of USDT that you wish to purchase it, and you click continue from there. Okay, guys, after that, when you want to set your TP and your stop loss, you just come here, TP/stop loss. TP, you enter a price greater than the price at which you bought, and you specify the amount you wish to sell when it reaches that price. Stop loss, you enter a price lower than the price at which you bought, you specify the amount that you wish to sell at the particular price. And that's that with spot trading, guys. That's just that with spot trading. I hope you were able to get a thing or two from here, and I hope I was able to make you understand how to do spot trading on Bybit, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. I will gladly respond to you within 24 hours, guys. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you found value watching this video, and if you did, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it so that it can be recommended to others who can also benefit from the video, guys. Thanks for watching my video up to this moment. I really appreciate it, and see you guys on the next video.